Hey, good afternoon, my YouTubeaholics. As you can see behind me, if you can see it at all, there's my African twin. I dubbed her the Raven. So I'm just gonna want to do an install of the rear rack and everything, and let y'all follow along. All right, let's go over and look where it's at. I just did this, just spray painted this not too long ago, and I'm getting ready to put the rear luggage rack on that goes back here in the back, and I'm spray painting that also. Let me show you the instructions to it. Alright, as you can see, here's the instruction sheet for it. The rear carrier for my, and this is what I'm painting black right now, the same color, the matte black. I already did the body pieces here, did them in the matte black. So I'm gonna see what I can install now, because unfortunately I had this sitting on the hood of my car here on top of the box, and I went in the trunk to get something, and of course once the trunk opened up, it shook the car and it slid off and then hit the pavement. So had a little scratches, so now I'm trying to fix that. All right, let's begin tearing this thing apart and see what I can do. Be right back. Alrighty, as you can see, let me get a close-up of it. You can see the scratches in it where it fell on the floor or the ground. So I'm trying to touch it up real quick. Sorry for the wind noise. So let me see if I can touch this up real quick, and then maybe mount it up. Alright, the instructions say to go ahead and remove the seatless, so let's go ahead and do that. See if I can do that real quick. Put you up here somewhere. Alrighty. Now we've got the seat off, and now let's continue, see what else I need to do. Be right back. Alright, my YouTubeaholics, when you read the instructions, it tells you to take the stock body pieces off and then put these pieces on. Well, I already went ahead and went ahead and done that for us. So sorry I didn't show that to you. There's the piece here that try to touch up as best I can, since it slid off the car. I don't have a workbench or anything like that. I don't have a garage to work on. So now you got to put these little pieces on here in a second. So let's go ahead and put the bar on, then put these other pieces on. All right, show you here in a second. All right, the next thing you have to do is put these two bolts in. Just thread them in, don't tighten them up anything, let them loose. So you can put this bracket on with this bolt, then this bolt, and again on the other side. So that way, and then once you get them all 6 of them in, go ahead and tighten them up. And now I'm going to put the body pieces on and see what that looks like, or actually finish up here. All right, I'll show you what that's looking like when I'm done. Alright, my peoples, there you are. It's all nice and done. Show you everything on it. I think it's looking pretty good. What do you think? And just to let you know, the stock bolt in here is a number 6 Allen head. There's some screws right here on both sides. These are number 5s Allen heads. You have to reuse those. and the other stuff inside, there's like 4 push pins that you have to take out to get the body pieces off. Then just putting it on, it's a 12 millimeter and 12 millimeter and 12 millimeter, so there are 6 bolts, 12 millimeter head, 12 millimeter socket, and there she is. She's all done, all put on. Tell me what you all think. I think she came out real nice. Just needs to be washed. Get you a whole picture here of the Raven. There she is in a nutshell so far. A little at a time. Alright. Until next time, my YouTubeaholics, have a good one.